Hey everybody, welcome to my cooking channel. I specialize in low carb. However, from time to time I'll bring you some other options and you can try to adjust it yourself. But today I'm going to be making these super easy sausage balls. We like to do these at the beginning of the week. I make a whole batch and we eat on them all week long for breakfast. We just grab one or two at a time and that does us. We're not huge breakfast people, but just for something to get us started. So what I have is I actually cut a 3-pound package of breakfast sausage in half. So I've got about 1.5 pounds. And we like to use the hot breakfast sausage, but you can use whatever you want. So I have about 1.5 pounds here, and I am going to put a heaping cup of almond flour in this. Then I'm going to also do a heaping cup of shredded cheese. You can use whatever kind you want. I use a Mexican blend just because we like the blend over just cheddar. But you can use cheddar, you can use whatever you want. You can use the pre-shredded or you can shred your own. I preheated my air fryer, 400 degrees. So I mix this. Make sure you get your cheese and your almond flour incorporated in really well, because you don't want one sausage ball that just has sausage and one that has all cheese. And, okay, so I have this huge scooper and I'm not going to make them that large, but just to kind of scoop them out. And you can make them whatever size you want. I make them about 1 inch diameter. Okay, here they all are. And I have made 1.5 dozen. And I'm going to pop them into the air fryer. So see how beautiful these are. I want to note that I did end up turning the air fryer down to 12 minutes. It only took about 6 minutes per pan, rotating them halfway through. Another note is that you can add more cheese. It's typically 1 cup to 1 pound of sausage. Since this was 1.5, I did a heaping cup. However, I do wish I would have added a little bit more. So there are these beauties. I'll cut into one and show you guys the inside, how beautiful they are. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.